Hey guys, what's up? Today I got two new toys. Yeah. Now, I got the Habu 2 EDF bind and fly version, and I got my precious DX18QQ. This is my bind and fly Habu 2 EDF sport jet, and I'll be flying. DX18QQ. Follow me. Let's. Alright. DX18QQ special edition. Alright, so. DX18QQ manual.
So.
Spectrum dog tag. Say hello to my new DX18QQ. Goodbye JR12. Welcome DX18. Flashlight. It's a cleaning cloth with a DX18 stickers.
And
QQ special edition certificate. This is 1589 of 2000. Charger here. Yeah. International charger. This is the AR12120. Precious. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay. Holy crap. LiPo battery. We've got our X Plus jumpers.
Extra stuff.
Extra sticks.
Okay.
An X Plus receiver to extend the channels. Got some switches. Battery. I think for the
Free batteries, yay!
Oh, okay. I got a memory SD card.
1 gigabyte. Can I have
1
it?
gig SD card, and I have my DX18 baby QQ. There's a DX18QQ instructional video DVD, 8+ user guide. There's a transmitted case dock tag or safe user guide. This is my DX18QQ from Horizon Hobby, and that's my new cap. Yeah, baby. Alright, so yeah, this is everything I've got here. I'm gonna take a couple of hours maybe just to get accustomed with everything. And